Hi, I'm Bennett the Baker. We are making pumpkin pie.
Yeah. And do you know what pumpkin pie is for?
Yeah.
What are we doing tomorrow?
I don't know.
What is tomorrow?
I don't know.
Is it Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
Yeah. And you learned about turkeys. Can you tell me what they do? What do they say?
They go.
That they do. All right, you ready to make some pumpkin pie?
Yeah.
Okay. So we are going to take our bowl, okay, and we are going to put 2 cups of pumpkin puree in it. Do you remember how we made this pumpkin? How did we make this?
No.
Do you remember?
Yeah.
Yeah, tell us about it.
I don't know.
Did we take one of these?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then what did we do?
We break apart it. We bake it.
Yeah, we baked it. Did we take all the gooey stuff out?
Yeah.
Yeah, the seeds, but then we bake the seeds and you get to eat them. What are they like?
I don't know, pumpkin.
Popcorn, yeah.
Can we put in the bacon?
No, we're not gonna bake the seeds right now. Here. All right, can you scoop this out? I'll hold the bowl if you can scoop that out. So 2 cups pumpkin puree from a sugar or pie pumpkin.
But I
Got it.
don't do any diet.
Uh-huh. Throw it all in there.
We only need 2.
You need all of that in there. All of it. There you go. Scoop it out.
Scoop it out.
Scoop it out. All right. Good job. So what's next is we put 12 ounces of sweetened condensed milk. I'll open this. You want to pour it in for me? All right, can you pour that?
Is it yucky?
Oh, it's good. It's kind of strange, but it's good. All right, pour that all in. Tip it up a little bit. There you go. What do you think? All right. Think you got it all? I'll do an extra scoop. There you go. All right. Now next, we need 2 eggs that are beaten. So we put 2 eggs in here, mix them all up. Want to dump that in there? Perfect. All of it. Yeah. All right, and then 3/4 cups brown sugar. Can you grab that brown sugar? All right, now dump that in here.
All of it?
All of it. It's packed in there. I'll pack it real tight. Oh, wonk. All right. And and then grab those. Need 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, ginger, and nutmeg. But we just did the pumpkin spice, which also has cloves, and did 1.5 teaspoon or a tablespoon of that. Mom could do baking math. All right, pour that in. And also in there is 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
How about I put all of it in?
That sounds perfect.
Can I do it?
Yep, dump it. All
All
right, shake
of
it.
it.
Make sure you got it all out. All right, now we gotta stir this. Stir it up a little bit, and then we're gonna put it in the mixer. Mix up real good.
Put the nuts in it?
Nope, that's it. All right. Let's move this. All right. Now what is this? It's a mixer.
Can I turn it on?
You can turn it on. That's it. All right, hold on. All right. Put that in there. All right. Now turn it on this side. Just move it up to the 2. Watch those little fingers. Perfect. That's good. All right. See all mixed up? you smell that? What's it smell like? Popcorn. Sure. I think it smells a little bit like cinnamon. Alright. We're going to take that out. Scoop the sides down. Make sure we got everything in there. Alright. Do you want to turn it on one more time?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
This one I use it.
Do it to the 2 again. Alright. Sure it's all mixed up. Yeah. Think we might just be good. Double check. Make sure we got everything on the bottom.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah. Okay. It's what? So this is our pie filling. Are you counting all the numbers? Good job. Do you know if those are odd or even numbers? What are they?
Okay, 1, 4,
Yeah.
2.
Say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 are even numbers. Think y'all remember that? Alright, so we did a pre-made frozen pie crust because my one attempt at doing pie crust failed. We're not messing with Thanksgiving. So we're gonna pour this in. That's a deep one. Alright. Oh, what do you think?
Is that cool? It says I'm going to eat it.
We gotta bake it first and then we'll eat it. Are you excited? Yeah. We cook it at 350 for about 45 minutes. Eat it? Yeah, you want that whipped cream? Alright. Ready? Okay, go. Alright, Bennett. Are you ready to taste your creation? Yeah. Alright. Get some whipped cream on there. Alright, ready? What do you think? What do you think, Bennett? Do you like it? Where are you going?
I come back.
You're what? Oh, you want more whipped cream. Do you like the pie? Do you like it? Did it taste good? Yeah. Oh, we're going for another bite, so it must be good. Stay here. Where are you going? Come here. Bennett.
Thanks for watching. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Oh, try to kiss. Mwah. I love you, Bennett the Baker. Mwah. Oh, as movies. Oh, these are violent kisses. Alright, ready for more whipped cream?